Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my June Jubilee box with you guys. First thing is the card and the little coupons. And in every box it always says if you can put it on, you can pull it off. Hashtag brave pretty. Then usually on the card it gives another quote. And this one says, if the sun comes up, I have a chance. And that is by Venus Williams. Then you get your little coupons. And then it tells you about this month's stuff. So we're going to go ahead and put this to the side. The first thing is, it is a matte lip mousse. And it's called It's Whipped. And it is in the color Pillow Talk. Right here it is. Let me do a swatch for you guys. It ain't too bright. Let me turn my light down. Nope, that's still too bright. And I think it's such a pretty color. This month I actually got to, I actually remembered to pick out what I wanted. So I went ahead and I picked this color right here. And I originally had like 3 or 4 things in my box for the month. But when I went and changed it, I only ended up getting like 2 good things and a pack of stickers. And right here is the stickers. It's just a little, got my light. It's like, there we go. Let it focus in. Just a little pack of stickers. So that is the second thing I got. I used to do my nails at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. Here lately, I ain't really been doing them all that much. So the next thing I got, it is the Cushion Complexion. It is a 5-in-1 Skin Perfection. There's the box it came in. Okay, and right here is the tube. And I did pick the light color. Jubilee does have some good makeup. Let me see. Just a light concealer. It might actually be too light for me, but I am pretty pale, but I am getting darker, so I don't know. And really, that's all I got in my box. This month the box was, I used my Joy Points to get it, but next month I'm debating on switching it to maybe like Ricky's Coat Box, New York. I've been thinking about that because I'm really, I've got so many things in nail polishes now. I really just don't need no more. And I don't know, for the price of this box, it's like, say $24.97, so it's $25. And I normally get it at the first of the month, but this month, I mean, it's the first of the month, but normally it's like between like the 1st to the 3rd or 5th, but this month it ran a little late. But I'm not really, I don't feel it. I don't feel like the box is something I really want to continue, and I've been looking for another subscription to get, and I'm not really sure what kind I want it. I've been reading Subscription Addiction to see what boxes was the best, and right now I think that I'm really on the verge of going ahead and canceling this one and joining Ricky's Coat Box New York. I think that's what it's called, because I think that would be a really good box to get. And I don't know what I'm going to get or not. If you have any ideas, let me just post them down in the comments below. And I guess that's everything for this video. And thank you guys for watching. And hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And you guys have a good day.